Alright, what is up YouTube? It's Ethan here again for part 2 of my hike to Navajo Knobs in Capitol Reef National Park here in Utah. And I just passed the rim overlook, which I decided to kind of hang out actually right over there on that rock. There's some good views. But the reason I did that is because while the rim overlook was very cool, it just kind of gave views of like, you know, where the visitor center and all the like fruit orchards and stuff are. So I'd have rather had some views of just straight up nature. So I hiked a little further in, and now I'm continuing towards Navajo Knobs. It's about another 2 miles from here to get to the end of the trail. And definitely done a significant amount of elevation gain already. I'd say probably about 1,000 feet. So I think, sorry about that. Anyway, so I think it's probably going to be about another 600 feet of elevation gain for this last 2 miles, which isn't as bad. The only thing is, there's a chance that I may have slightly underestimated the amount of water that I would need for this hike. And if that's the case, then there's a chance I might have to turn around a little early. And I really hope I don't, because I would love to be able to finish this trail. But, you know, I am in the desert. The sun's out, and it has significantly warmed up since this morning. So, we will see. But either way, I'm having a lot of fun on this hike. I mean, look at that. Just some really beautiful views. The other thing, though, is that, you know, for a while, there really wasn't much of anybody else in this trail. And now, I've seen quite a few more people. I stopped to rest for a little bit at the rim overlook, or near the rim overlook. And since then, it seemed like there's been a lot more people hiking. So, that is unfortunate. I was really looking forward to a trail where there wouldn't be that many people, but whatever, it is a national park. Alright, got into a little flat part here, following alongside this little slot canyon over here, which is very cool. Looks like there's some dense vegetation up ahead. I'll be shaded for like 5 seconds. And that's always a good thing. Still walking right alongside the part of the water pocket fold here, which is very cool. Look at that. Some very good views of the Henry Mountains from here. Just beautiful scenery all around. And we are on a nice incline here. There's been a lot of that on this trail. This trail is definitely not easy. Bring lots of water because you're in the desert, and be prepared for some pretty serious hiking. But it is totally worth it for all these beautiful views though. Wow. Those views are to die for. That is amazing. This is a way nicer overlook in my opinion than the rim overlook was. You still see the road down there, but wow, this is incredible. Some great views of the park. That is awesome. All right, well, looking directly ahead, those are the Navajo knobs. And that middle one is where we are headed. That's where the end of the trail is. So we definitely got a bit more climbing to do, but it's in sight, and I actually think I might be able to make it with the water supply that I have. So I'm gonna keep trucking along and see how it goes, and hopefully I'll be able to make it all the way. All right, we got a really good vantage point on that rock formation out there, which is just beautiful. And we're getting closer to the Navajo knobs over there. Make sure, if you're hiking out here, make sure you're always looking for these cairns, these rock cairns that are all over the place. Because if not, you will get lost. There are quite a few parts of this trail where you can't really tell which way the trail goes. But I will give the National Park Service credit for having tons of these rock cairns out so that the trail is well enough marked that you can always find your way. So you don't have to be like a, professional to do this trail, which is nice because I am by no means a professional. Alright guys, well, looks like I'm about to begin my final ascent up to the Navajo knobs. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this part 2 here, and of course, I mean, I'm fairly sure I'll be able to get to the Navajo knobs, considering that I've already made it as far as I have, so it shouldn't be a problem getting the rest of the way up there. So, like I promised, I will be doing a part 3 video at the top, and I can already tell that there's going to be some amazing views up there, so I'm looking forward to that very much, and I will see you guys in a bit.